What's going on today, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be upgrading the rear windshield third brake light on the STI here with a unit that I didn't even know existed, and really just kind of happened upon it by accident. And that unit is the JDM STI rear windshield third brake light. The 75 bucks, I think, is what it's listed for. So I'll say the only place I could find it was a place called SMY Performance. I wanted it for hopefully the safety aspect of it, because as you'll see here in a minute, the only difference between the OEM and the JDM is the JDM has 9 LEDs and the OEM has 4, so in theory it should be brighter, more light on the rear end, safer braking light where people can see you. It's always a good thing to have. The install itself is pretty straightforward, no tools at all needed. So we get over here and pop this stalker out and go show you a physical comparison on the JDM unit. Get this stalker out, like I say, first thing we do, pop a trunk. And then this white clip right here is the harness for the brake light. So you just pop it loose. They come up on the inside here, and to get this one out, basically got to push forward a little bit, pop it out, and then pull your harness on through. So as you can see, the main difference between the stalker and the JDM unit, stalker's got 4 LEDs and the JDM has 9. So I'll say this one should be brighter in theory. So we'll pop it in and then we'll show a comparison of the stalker versus the JDM. So I don't know if you could really tell on camera the comparison or not, but it's marginally brighter. I wouldn't say it's like knock your eyes out bright difference or anything like that, but it is marginally brighter. Got the JDM cool status factor now, so that's always a good thing, I guess. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like. We'll catch you in the next one.